Hey friend, Adam from CloudSpot here. In this video, I'll show you how to create and organize a collection. But before we jump in, let's define what a collection is. Collections are what is shown on your main dashboard when you log in, and these are how you organize your various shoots within CloudSpot. You can think of a collection as the overarching master folder of all your photos for a particular event or photo shoot. It's important to note that these collections are not automatically visible to your clients. To share your photos with your clients, you'll need to later create a gallery. Inside these collections are where you upload folders of images. For example, I may have a collection titled Emily and Desmond. Inside that collection, I could have one or more folders of photos. In this case, these folders might be called bridal party, family photos, reception, and maybe even a folder designated just for vendor photos. The sky's the limit on how many folders you can have in a given collection. But for now, let's dive in and create a brand new collection. First, click New Collection at the top. You'll be prompted to add your collection's name, the date, and as many tags as you'd like to keep your dashboard organized. A quick example of tags which might be helpful could be tagging the year or type of shoot like wedding or senior portrait. You can even add a venue tag or vendor tag. Really, the possibilities are endless here for you to organize, so definitely take advantage. When you're done, just click Create. With this new blank collection created, now it's time to add those folders of photos I mentioned earlier. You can add photos straight away if you'd like by just dragging and dropping the photos directly into the blank space here. They'll automatically be placed into a default folder for you. Or, what I absolutely recommend is uploading one or more folders at a time through this option here. You'll click on Add Folder and then Upload Folders. From here, you'll select those folders on your computer and drag them in all at once to start your upload. Images will stay in those same folders here in your collection, and you no longer have to worry about reorganizing things later or opening multiple tabs to get everything uploaded at once. Also, once you begin an upload, you can minimize this entire window and keep working. Things will continue to upload in the background, and you'll always see a status here in the upper right corner. And finally, if you have more than one collection to upload, you can queue up another collection to start uploading right after this one is finished. No more needing to babysit things, you can get multiple shoots uploaded one right after another, all without blocking any other work you might have to do here in your account. Depending on your workflow, I also want to mention here that you can use CloudSpot's Lightroom plugin. This allows you to create collections and export them straight from Lightroom to your CloudSpot account. Definitely check out our Help Center article on this to see if that plugin can help streamline your workflow. Once everything is uploaded, easily set a collection cover by dragging over an image or by uploading directly from your computer. If you want to change which images go in which folders, you can easily copy or move images from one folder to another. You can also sort images in the folder using these handy sort options or by dragging and dropping images with the custom option selected. If you have any questions about CloudSpot's features, feel free to contact us in the chat bubble here in the lower right-hand corner. We're here and we're happy to help.